Well, hello again everyone, welcome back to my channel. Only 4 days till the Melbourne Cup, but I've got a big race this Saturday in Sydney, the Golden Eagle, $7.5 million race. So I thought I'd run the wagon wheel over it and share my findings with you today. Having run the wagon wheel, it's come up with I'm Thunderstruck as the winner of the race, with Ellsberg for second, followed by Private Eye for third. All the information according to my calculations on screen. But my selection actually is going to be Ellsberg, the second pick of the wagon wheel. And I'm liking the look of this one for the big race on Saturday at Rosehill. Let's just quickly go through my logic here. First of all, looking at the gate speeds of the horses, Ellsberg's drawn barrier 1 has very good gate speed, whereas I'm Thunderstruck, the top pick, is drawn out in the middle of the field, and with all this speed on the inside of it is definitely going to be settling back, probably at least midfield, and the question is it going to be able to get in to get some cover? You're going to have to be relying on the jockey to be very skillful, I believe, and it's much more likely that Ellsberg, I think, is going to get a nice run in the race. There are a number of really nice horses in this race though, so nothing would surprise. But I'm expecting Ellsberg to be settling in the first half a dozen. The jockey should be able to get it well placed, and provided there's an opening at the top of the straight, could be coming home nicely at the end. Looking a little bit further into its credentials, the things that I like about it, first of all, it's a 4-year-old, so it's probably coming into its prime. It's had 11 starts only for 10 placings. Hasn't won a great deal of cash really compared to some of the horses that you might be considering in the race, but I do like the fact that it's third up. It's come out nicely first up and won over 1400, and then has gone back in distance, which is perhaps not what you would expect to see in a preparation for a horse, but anyway, that's what they've done with it. Almost won that race, but now third up over 1500, and from my analysis looks to be perfectly positioned here on the track and the distance. 4 goes for 2 wins and 2 placings, currently at $9, and I did read some research once on practical punting, which says that if you're looking to try and make some money on the races, then betting on horses around about that $7 to about $11 mark is not a bad place to be putting your money. So at $9, $3 the place, although I'm not going to be backing it for the place, I'm just going to bet it straight out. And so that's my analysis for the Golden Eagle. Pretty simplistic really. Going to have my 5, maybe $10 on Ellsberg to win. The wagon wheel's been doing okay. Found the winner of the Moonee Valley Cup, which was quite nice, at about $12 for the win. But the big one coming up on Tuesday, and I'll publish the wagon wheel as I see it on Monday, and I look forward to catching up with you then with my analysis of the Melbourne Cup. But until I see you on Sunday for the summary of the weekly action on the stock market, I hope you're keeping very well.